Hi folks, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. In today's episode I'm going to be doing a little bit of prep before I put the new fuel tank in. I need to rub down and paint underneath the car before I put the fuel tank back in. That's one job, and I also need to replace the fuel lines because they're absolutely awful. So let's get to it. So just before I install the new tank, there's just a few areas that need addressing. They're not rotted, it's just surface rust. He just wants rubbing down and treating. So as you can see, it's only a very light coating of surface rust. I'll just continue now and take all that down, and then we'll put a rust converter on it and a bit of primer. I'll probably just put a bit of black on it for now. You won't be able to see it because the tank's going to be in the way, but just for peace of mind really. So once everywhere's rubbed down, just give it a brush off to remove any particles. Just brush the rust converter on. Oh well folks, that's it for that part. You'll know when it's ready because it'll turn black, but myself personally, I'll leave it 24 hours and then I'll hit it with some primer. Well, the underneath's all sorted now. I started off by rubbing the whole lot down with a wire brush and cleaning it all off. Then I put some rust proofer on it, left that for 24 hours, 2 coats of primer, and I've just about 2 hours ago I've just put some black underseal on it. So I'll just show you what it looks like at the moment. Right, so as you can see, that all looks pretty good. It's had 2 coats of black undercoat on it. It's all ready now to receive the tank. Now I know people will be saying that, you know, you can't actually see this, so why did you bother? But it's just peace of mind really. And it's all rust proofed and undersealed. Oh, it's Freddy now, he's coming to see what's going on. Wait. No, out. Go on, I know you're curious and you want to see what I've been doing, but there's too much stuff in here that you could hurt yourself on, and there's oil on the floor as well. So go on, you go out, be a good boy. Go on, out you go, out. Go on, go see the cats. Well, I was trying to cut it from this side, but I think it'd be better if I cut it from the other side. Yeah, I think it'd be better if I cut it from here, pull it down as much as I can, up to there, and then cut away. That's it. Should be able to just pull this out now. There you go, nice and easy. So as you can see, that's just straightforward, just like an L shape, like so. So fortunately, you had to put a joint in here. If you make up the whole fuel line and bend it all into shape, you literally can't get this piece here up and around. It's impossible. So let's carry on. So I'm going to uncoil some of this wire carefully. Now if I keep hold of it, keep hold of the end here like so on this metal runner, and then slowly roll it out like so. So the first thing I need to do is get a bend in here to join this piece of pipe up. Yeah. So that's 6.5 inches to the bend. I've got my marker pen. And we want 6.5 inches, which is there. So we'll get our bendy thing. Make sure you pick the right one. So we want it into here like so. Okie dokie. I don't know whether you can see or not, but the mark that I put on here, you want the mark on the pipe to be level with the top of the bender, not down here at the beginning, right on here. So that should be about right. So let's have a look. Let's give that a bend like so. 90 degree, like so. Well, that should be perfect. We'll soon find out. That's it, she's clipped in. Just check the pipe. Yeah, that would be perfect, that. Yeah, we just need to roll a bit more of the copper pipe out. I think that should do it about there. Our bend wants to be there. Just there, like so. So, if I offer the pipe up like so, and then we mark the pipe where we actually want it to bend, like so. Okay. So where this mark is now, we're going to bend it 90 degrees into the car, and then it's only got to go in, I think it's about 31 centimeters, and then you have another right angled 90 degree bend going forward. So I'm actually going to do two bends here at the same time. So yes, 31 centimeters from here. .31, let's have a look from there. Got 31 here, like so. Okay. Okay, we'll bend that round 90 degree. Right. So. Check with the tape measure, just make sure that the measurement was right. That's exactly 31 centimeters, that's absolutely perfect. So now, we want to bend that one on a 90 degree in that way. So we'll line that one up. can be quite fiddly, these things, but you have to just bear with them. I'm going to get this mark lined up with the top. Let's have a look. About there, I think. Hopefully this is going to be okay. Yeah, we're going to go with that. That's it, 90 degree. Sorry, you're just slightly off camera there. Okay. Right, let's move all this stuff out of our way for now. I'm going to unclip this from there, like so. Straighten everything out a little bit. It's a bit bent in places. So what we need to do now is thread this piece here through there, like so. So as you can see, it comes down there now, goes under the sill. I've got to clip that up in a minute, and then just get a bit of light on the subject down here. Don't know if you can see underneath there or not. So I'm going to start by securing these pipes now. I'm going to put some new pipe clips in and fasten them down. So let's get into it. So we'll be using a 6.5mm drill bit. So I'm just going to put the one in here for now. Yeah, I'm going to put the one in here for now, just till I find out where I need to bend this to go to the tank. So that'll do for now for there. So next is the straight coupling to go on here. Got a bit of wire wool here, just going to clean the surfaces up. So we're going to put the top in first. So we want the nut and the olive, like so. And we want the fitting. And I'm going to put the bottom one in, the nut on, and the olive. And secure that one in. Let's have a look. sure that's all the way home. It's a bit bent by the look of it. Bend that a bit. That's it. This is a 17. And it's quite baggy on it. Well guys, it's actually 5/8. 5/8 it is. Let's get the right size. There you go. Okay, so that's all secure. Obviously we'll check this for leaks. So we need to push this through this rubber grommet, which is still in good condition. Push that through into the engine bay, like so. Okay, I'll probably put a clip about there, I think. I don't know whether this will fit or not. So that's all secure now underneath. It does need a couple more along the sill line here, but I'll do that when I'm underneath the car. So you can see why I've replaced the fuel lines. I mean, all this flaky stuff here is under seal and rust, and underneath the pipe is just so badly pitted. It wouldn't have been long before it would have leaked. Yeah. Oh, well, that's it for this week, folks. Thanks very much indeed for tuning in and watching. I needed to get all these little jobs done before I put the new fuel tank in. The fuel lines were in really bad condition and it was desperate to be changed. So now that that's done and all the paintwork's prepped underneath, we can now continue and put the tank in. So that'll be in the next video, so please tune in. So if you've liked what you've seen, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you wish. And until next time, bye for now.